So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic metals and their compounds. So guys, this video will be about iron. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the type of iron that is best suited for welding, making nails, chains, and iron rods is A. Wrought iron, B. Iron pyrites, C. Pig iron, and D. Cast iron. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's the wrought iron. Wrought iron is an iron alloy with a very low carbon, less than 0.08%, and that's the iron that is most suitable for welding, making nails, chains, and iron rods. So let's look at the next question. Question number 2, it says, what is the principal ore of iron from which iron is extracted? We have bauxite, we have magnetite, we have hematite, we have calcite. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's hematite. Hematite, which is Fe2O3, is the principal ore of iron, and it's widely used for the extraction of iron metal. So that's it. Let's look at the next question. Question number 3. It says, pig iron is brittle because it contains A. High percentage of carbon as impurity, B. Unreacted hematite, C. Undecomposed limestone, D. Calcium trioxosilicate 4. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. Pig iron is brittle because it contains high percentage of carbon as an impurity. So the carbon forms a hard but brittle crystalline structure with the iron. And that's it for this question. So let's look at the next question. Question number 4, it says, oxalic acetylene flame is used for iron welding because it A. combines with oxygen to form pop sound, B. dissociates to produce carbon dioxide and oxygen, C. makes the iron metal solidify very quickly, D. evolves a lot of heat when burnt. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. That evolves a lot of heat when burnt. Oxalic acetylene flame is used for iron welding because it evolves a lot of heat when burnt. So the high temperature produced by the combustion of acetylene with oxygen, that's acetylene flame, is sufficient to melt iron and other metals, making it ideal for welding purposes. So let's consider the next question. Question number 5, it says, the early impurities in iron ore are removed in the blast furnace by the reaction A. Fe2O3 plus 3CO to yield 2Fe plus 3CO2, B. SiO2 plus CaO to yield CaSiO3, B. CaCO3 to yield CaO plus CO2, and D. CO2 plus C to yield 2CO. So guys, the answer to this question will be option B here. The early impurities in iron are actually removed in the blast furnace by this reaction shown in option B here. So this reaction describes the formation of a slag in the blast furnace, which helps to remove impurities from the iron. So the other reactions here do not describe the removal of impurities from iron ore. So that's it for this question. Option B is the answer. So let's consider the next question. Question number 6, it says, using the metal activity series, the metal that can liberate hydrogen gas from steam is A. lead, B. iron, C. tin, and D. copper. So I guess you must have actually tried out this already, and you must have guessed rightly as well. The answer to this question, guys, is option B, and that's iron. So let's consider the next question. Question number 7, it says, which of the following metals will liberate hydrogen from steam or dilute acid? So we have options A. copper, B. lead, C. mercury, D. iron. So guys, the answer to this question will be option D here, and that's iron. So let's consider the next question, guys. Question number 8. It says, what is the chemical formula of rust, which is formed on the surface of iron in the presence of oxygen and moisture? So we have FeOH3, Fe2O3, FeO, Fe3O4. So guys, rust is actually a reddish brown compound that forms on the surface of iron in the presence of oxygen and moisture, and this compound has the formula Fe2O3, indicating the presence of 2 iron atoms and 3 oxygen atoms in the compound. So that's it for that question, and that's option B. So let's go ahead and look at the next question. Question number 9. It says, in the extraction of iron in the blast furnace, limestone is used to A, release CO2 for the reaction, B, reduce the iron ore, C, remove impurities, D, increase the strength of the iron. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's to remove impurities. Limestones remove impurities present in the iron ore. So this is achieved because at high temperatures, calcium carbonate will undergo thermal decomposition to calcium oxide. So that's it for that question. Option C is the answer. So let's look at the next and the last question. The effect of the presence of impurities such as carbon and sulfur on iron is that they A, make it malleable and ductile, B, increase its melting point, C, give it high tensile strength, D, lower its melting point. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's to lower its melting point. The presence of impurities such as carbon, sulfur, and the rest in iron lowers its melting point. So that's it for this question. Option B is the answer. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, don't forget to also share this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more people around. And we want to also use this medium to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by clicking on the join button below, so that you can gain access to our premium information on JAMB updates. So guys, this will be very helpful to you even as you prepare for your JAMB examination. And guys, that will be all for this video. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.